Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you will be doing well. So today we are going to start our lesson from the comprehension questions of unit number 5. So let's begin. So the first question we have is, what qualities made Hazrat Khadija Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha a successful entrepreneur in a male dominated society, and how can these qualities be applied by modern women entrepreneurs? So we are asked two questions, that what were the qualities and how these qualities can be applied. So the heading would be qualities of Hazrat Khadija. Hazrat Khadija Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha success was due to her intelligence, strategic thinking यानी हिकमत अमली की वजह से, integrity दयानतदारी या ईमानदारी, and leadership और supporting environment की वजह से थी. These qualities allowed her to excel in a male-dominated society. Excel mean आगे बढ़ना in a male-dominated society जहाँ पर ज़्यादा मर्दों की बात मानी जाती हो. Modern women entrepreneurs can apply these qualities by being determined यानी firm रहकर, strategic हिकमत अमली इख्तियार करके, and leading by with integrity in their ventures, और अपनी businesses में ईमानदारी के साथ आगे चलकर वो अपने कारोबार को बेहतर बना सकती हैं. The question number 2 we have is, how does the growth of women-led businesses in Pakistan contribute to economic development and job creation, especially in rural areas? यानी रूरल एरियाज़ के अंदर जो ख़वातीन अपनी बिज़नेस चला रही हैं वो किस तरह से पाकिस्तान की इकॉनमी को बेहतर कर सकती हैं, लोगों के लिए जॉब्स क्रिएट कर सकती हैं. तो we have also been asked two questions here. So the answer would be contribution of women-led businesses to economic development. Women-led businesses in Pakistan are vital to economic development by creating jobs and boosting local economies, particularly in rural areas. बहुत बेहतर यानी बहुत अच्छा किरदार अदा करती हैं कि वो लोगों के लिए जॉब्स क्रिएट करती हैं और लोकल इकोनॉमी जो है उसको बूस्ट करने में हेल्प करती हैं, पर्टिकुलरली इन रूरल एरियाज़. दीज बिजनेसेस हेल्प रिड्यूस अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड प्रमोट इकोनॉमिक इंक्लूजन. इकोनॉमिक इंक्लूजन का मतलब ये है कि हर किसी को इंक्लूड करती हैं इकोनॉमिक प्रॉस्पेरिटी के अंदर. द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज़, व्हाई इज़ मेंटोरशिप एंड नेटवर्किंग क्रिटिकल for the success of women entrepreneurs, and how to support systems like women's chambers of commerce enhance their growth. ठीक है, तो इसमें भी हमारे से दो सवाल किए हुए हैं कि नेटवर्किंग, जो नेटवर्क्स वो बनाती हैं, या एक प्रॉपर मेंटोर की उनको ज़रूरत होती है जो उनको ये सिखाए कि कौन सा काम कैसे करना है, ये सब कैसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है, एंड ये किस तरह से वुमेन चैम्बर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स जो नहीं वो ओवरऑल जो उनकी एक चैम्बर है, एक ग्रुप है, उसको कैसे बेहतर बनाती है. सो इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ मेंटोरशिप एंड नेटवर्किंग. मेंटोरशिप एंड नेटवर्किंग प्रोवाइड एसेंशियल सपोर्ट, वो ज़रूरी सहूलत फराहम करती हैं, गाइडेंस एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फॉर वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, जो भी उनको ज़रूरत होता है. एंड वुमेन चैम्बर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स ऑफर प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर नेटवर्किंग, स्किल डेवलपमेंट एंड बिजनेस ग्रोथ, हेल्पिंग देम ओवरकम चैलेंजेस. सबसे बड़ा मसला तो पैसों का ही होता है, फ़ंड्स का ही होता है. तो वुमेन चैम्बर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स उनको ना सिर्फ फ़ंड्स प्रोवाइड करती है बल्कि उनको एक लीडरशिप भी प्रोवाइड करती है. The next question we have is, what role does e-commerce play in overcoming mobility and societal barriers for women entrepreneurs in Pakistan? कि e-commerce का क्या रोल है? So the answer would be like, e-commerce allows women to run businesses from home, bypassing mobility issues and societal constraints. So these are all the terms that we have already done in our text. It provides flexibility and access to global markets, enhancing the growth of women entrepreneurs. The next question is, how does the success of women entrepreneurs serve as a catalyst for future generations to pursue their ambition? यानी अपने ambitions को आगे बढ़ाने में entrepreneurs एक catalyst यानी एक ऐसी चीज़ की तरह कैसे काम करती हैं जो तेज़ी ला सकता है. Catalyst का मतलब है the agent that boosts up some work. So the answer would be like, Impact of future generation. The success of women entrepreneurs serves as an inspiration for future generations. It demonstrates that women can succeed in business and encourage young women to pursue their own entrepreneurial goals. यानी जो नई यंग ख़वातीन हैं उनके लिए भी एक गेट खुल जाता है कि वो किस तरीके से वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को यंग वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को जो है वो इंस्पायर कर सकती हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ व्हाट इम्पैक्ट डज women's entrepreneurship have on community development and how it can be leveraged, यानी इसको कैसे थोड़ा सा ईजी किया जा सकता है टू एड्रेस लोकल इश्यूज सच एज एजुकेशन एंड हेल्थ केयर. So, impact on community development. Women's entrepreneurship contributes to community development by addressing local issues such as education, healthcare, and social welfare. It creates positive social impacts by improving quality of life in communities. So, very simple answer. Next question is, how do financial barriers such as limited access to loans affect women entrepreneurs, and what can be done to provide more equitable financial opportunities? तो क्या किया जा सकता है उनको मज़ीद अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करने के लिए. सो लिमिटेड एक्सेस टू लोन्स एंड फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज कैन हिंडर मीन कैन create obstacles women entrepreneurs from starting or expanding their businesses. Providing microfinance यानी छोटे छोटे जो है वो अमाउंट में उनको रकम प्रोवाइड की जाती है. ग्रांट्स भी फाइनेंस को ही कहते हैं. एंड women focused loan schemes can create more equitable financial opportunities. The last question is, in what ways does the participation of women in entrepreneurship challenge gender stereotypes and promote gender equality in society? यानी किस तरह से ख़वातीन का काम करना जो है वो एक मुख्तलिफ समझा जाता है कि मतलब स्टीरियोटाइप से समथिंग एक ऐसा काम जिसके लिए हमेशा से ख़वातीन को जाना जाता है, दैट इज़ खाना पकाना एंड टू टेक केयर ऑफ़ द होम, दैट इज़ द स्टीरियोटाइप. तो ये उनका काम करना उसकी स्टीरियोटाइपिंग को चैलेंज कैसे करता है? दिस इज़ व्हाट इज़ बीइंग आस्क्ड. सो द आंसर इज़, women entrepreneurs challenge gender stereotypes by providing that women can succeed in leadership and business roles. वो प्रूव करके कि वो इन कामों में भी बेहतर कर सकती हैं काम, वो ये चीज़ साबित कर सकती हैं. देयर सक्सेस प्रोमोट्स जेंडर इक्वालिटी, इंस्पायरिंग सोसाइटी टू व्यू वेमेन एज केपेबल लीडर्स एंड डिसीजन मेकर्स. कि वो डिसीजन मेकर्स भी हो सकती हैं, वो लीडर्स भी हो सकती हैं. दे कैन परफॉर्म ऑल द ड्यूटीज़. So dear students, now we are moving towards the pre-reading questions. Pre-reading question are the questions that are in the beginning of your lesson. So we have first question. What do you understand by the term entrepreneurship? How do you think it is important in today's world? So the answer of this pre-reading question is the same as the question number 1, that what entrepreneurship refers to. आपके ख्याल में entrepreneurship क्या है? We have done it so many times, so you can write the same answer in this one. Can you think of any women entrepreneurs you have heard of in your country or globally? What challenges do you think they might face? तो क्या आपको किसी ऐसी वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर का पता है जो एक सक्सेसफुल वुमेन हो? तो येस, द आंसर इज़ देयर. Some examples of successful women entrepreneurs from Pakistan are Roshan Saeed, she's the founder of Khana Ghar, and Khalda Brohi, founder of Sukhar Foundation. They face challenges like lack of financial resources, mentorship and support. यानी ये दो ख़वातीन हैं, इनको आपने एड्रेस कर देना है. And the third question is, what role do you think women entrepreneurs can play in improving their communities? So what role they can play, this is the answer. The women entrepreneurs can greatly improve their communities by creating jobs, solving local problems and empowering others. They can start businesses that provide essential services like healthcare and education and promote sustainability. यानी sustainability का मतलब है कि वहाँ पे कायम रहने को promote करती है, ये नहीं कि एक दफ़ा start किया और फिर उसको छोड़ दिया. And by being role models, women entrepreneurs can inspire and empower other women and girls to pursue their own entrepreneurial dreams, creating a positive impact and lasting change. Now we have while reading question. The first while reading question is that what role are women entrepreneurs playing in the modern day of Pakistan. So women entrepreneurs are playing an important role in the modern day by making progress in the fields like fashion, technology, food, education and craft. So this is the answer that is taken from the paragraph number 5 exactly. So that is it for today, dear students, for English A. Now we are going towards English B. So dear students, now we are going to move towards English B's work. And in English B, we are going to start our lesson with unsolved comprehension number 1. So you can read this comprehension. We are going to discuss the questions and answers. First you will read the comprehensions at least twice or 3 times, and then we will move to the questions and answers. So what were the conditions about the choice of profession 60 years ago? So dear students, it is very imperative that you keep this thing in your mind, that you're not going to write the answer of the comprehension exactly from the text. You are supposed to write it yourself. So the answer would be like, 60 years ago the choice of profession was not taken up seriously. That is it. There should not be question anymore, answer anymore. Why did the people not choose the profession seriously? People did not choose the profession seriously because generally a son followed the trade of his father. So you have taken this from the text exactly, but you have made it the answer according to the question. So this is what your challenge is. Can a student of the present time choose his profession freely? Yes, a student of the present time can choose his profession freely. This is the simple answer. What is the advantage of a right choice of a profession? If you choose a right choice of profession, what is the advantage? The right choice of profession paves the way of success. So should be some of definite aim. So this is the answer that you can write it according to your own by getting the answer from the overall paragraph. So this will be the answer. Note down my answer. The right choice of a profession paves the way for success. This answer is not in the paragraph. So the next question is, how can students choose his profession rightly? So a student can choose his profession seriously or rightly by having some definite aim. If it is this can be the answer, and you can mold the answer. And the next question is, what will be the difficulty of a student who is reading without a definite aim? So a student who is reading without a definite aim suffers a lot in the end as it becomes difficult for him to find employment. So there is just this answer that you can mold into your own words. And the last question is, how can a teacher help his pupils in making a choice of profession? So a teacher can help his pupils in making the choice of profession by keeping an eye on the activities and habits of pupils. So keeping an eye and habits of pupils. This is the answer that you can write in your own words. Dear students, I am reiterating that it is important to write the answer in your own words. So the next comprehension we have is the pottery, making pottery. The topic is pottery. Again, you can read this comprehension yourself, and we are going to discuss the answer. This is pretty much easy exercise. So what is throwing? The answer is straight written here, that throwing is making pottery on the potter's wheel. So this is the answer, very simple answer. Second question is, what is the other method of shaping articles? The other method of shaping articles is molding. Again, this is written here, molding. Number third question, what is the advantages of molding? So molding is quicker and less difficult method for making things like handles and even pottery. So it is a less difficult method. The next question is, what does the potter make design? How does the potter make designs on the piece of pottery? So when the piece of pottery is taken off the wheel, it is put aside to dry, after which a design may be printed with special colors. So this is the answer that you can write again in your own words. The own words, the way I have written the answer, I am repeating it. When the piece of pottery is taken off the wheel, it is put aside to dry, after which a design may be printed with special colors. This is how you can write the answer. And the last question is, how are the pieces of pottery baked in fire? The pieces of pottery are baked in earthenware tubs called saggers. This is the same answer written here. So that is it for today, dear students. We were going to do 2 comprehensions. We have done it. Take care of yourselves, and Allah Hafiz.